Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Ford Explorer XLT. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with integrated turn signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2016 Ford Explorer is at the top of the class thanks to high-tech features, a comfortable ride, and plenty of passenger space. This Explorer has 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Explorer is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, speed sensitive wipers, and a really nice metal look grille with the iconic Ford emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 6-cylinder 3.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Explorer has front wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 20 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Explorer has only 35,909 miles on it. At the back of the Explorer, you can see the antenna and the lip spoiler, along with your rear wiper, the tow package, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Using the key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking at the cargo area, you can see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a power outlet and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Explorer even has a very comfortable third row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their own climate controls and can utilize the cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Explorer is also equipped with a lock and glove box, door bins, and a push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power liftgate, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row, one touch up and down. This Explorer has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power dual moonroof. The center stack is home to the multimedia navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.